Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To use signatures in Outlook, click the Signature button that appears in the Include button group on the Message tab of the ribbon within the Message window. If you already created a signature, select its name from the drop-down menu to insert it. To create a new signature, instead click the Signatures command in the drop-down menu to open the Signatures and Stationery dialog box. Then click the New button and type a name for the signature into the New Signature dialog box. Then click the OK button. Then type the information to show in the signature into the Edit Signature field, formatting it as needed. To insert a picture or hyperlink into the signature, click either the Insert Picture or Insert Hyperlink buttons at the right end of the formatting options above the Edit Signature field. Clicking Insert Picture opens a dialog box that lets you navigate to the picture to use and select it. Then click the Insert button to add the picture to your signature. Clicking the Insert Hyperlink button opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog box where you enter the text to show in the signature into the Text to Display field. Then click one of the buttons to the left of this dialog box to choose the type of URL to add. For the most common existing file or web page choice, then enter the URL into the Address field. When finished, click the OK button to insert the URL into your signature and return to the Signatures and Stationery dialog box. When you finish creating the signature, click the Save button below the Select Signature to Edit field to save the signature file. You can then repeat this process, creating as many signatures as you need and giving each a unique name. After you finish creating the signatures you need, then select which signature to use by default when creating mail and replying to or forwarding mail for a selected email account by using the three drop-downs in the upper right corner of this dialog box. When finished, then click the OK button in the Signatures and Stationery dialog box to save your changes and close the dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.